We'll see how to do the syntax check in Abaqus. Firstly, go to the command bar where your file is. Type CMD, then command window, command prompt will open. Type Abaqus. J is equal to tab. Press tab, then remove the .inp part and then do type syntax check. Then, if you want to do the interactive, type int. int will tell you whatever if there is any error or not. Depending on the size of file, it will take its time and see. So there is some error here. Go to that file to see what is the error. So if you see that, if you just press uh, error, search error, so there is one error it is showing. First yield plastic strain at the first yield point must be 0. So same, total number of errors it is showing as 3. So we have rectified it. So what I will do is, you will see this plastic, so it should be zero point 0.0. So, okay, and if I want to, I can add one more value here just for the test purpose. Okay. Now I will again do the same thing. Yes, I want to overwrite the file. Yeah, so now you can, it is runnable. It will, the run will, your run will start. Whether it will converge or not, that depends on your physics, but at least your run will start without any errors. Thank you.